how to turn on or turn off broadcast sound improve compatibility on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connections. Click on connections. After click on connection, you will see third option is Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth and click on this three dot icon and you will see first option is broadcast sound using and you will see improve compatibilities here. If you want to turn off improve compatibility, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see improve compatibility is turn off. If you want to turn on improve compatibility, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see improve compatibility is turn on. You will turn on or turn off improve compatibility from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off broadcast sound improve compatibility on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.